Since YouTube updates the new policy, everyone have been trying to avoid their channels from being demonetized by not using any copyright content on their videos. But you want your video to stand out. You want your video to be interesting. You want your video to look more professional to every viewers viewing your channel, right? So what can you do in this case and still avoid the YouTube community guidelines and not get a copyright claim on your videos? Because how can you spend so much time creating a video, editing a video, and then get a copyright claim on that video? So this tip that I'm about to share in this video is something that has been there for a long time. It's not new. A lot of content creators on YouTube have been using it so far without getting any copyright claim on their videos. So I'm going to share this tip in a nutshell with you. It's very simple, straight to the answer. And majorly, I'm making this video for my subscribers, especially those who are content creators on YouTube, because I know that some of my subscribers also are content creators on YouTube. So I'm making this video especially for them. And also, if you're a new viewer, if you're just finding me for the first time, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for watching. And if this video is interesting, if you find this video very interesting, I would also like you to like, subscribe, and also share with people who this video may help in case they're looking for how to get free copyright content, free copyright music, free copyright background music on their videos without getting a strike or copyright claim on their videos. Okay, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Oluwatosin and welcome to this channel. Here I talk about faith, productivity, beauty, business, and YouTube growth strategies, how to help your channel grow. You know, in a little way I can, because I'm also a content creator here. So every little mistake I've made, every little success I've made, I like to share it with my viewers here on YouTube. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing today, because I think someone asked me this question and I feel that, okay, there are also some people here who will need this information. So without further ado, let's dive right into this video, shall we? So all you just need to do is to go to your YouTube studio. The only way you can get this free music without any copyright claim on the video is to go to your YouTube studio. And I'm not talking about the usual YouTube studio. I'm talking about the desktop version, okay? But just in case you don't have a desktop, you can use your phone desktop mode. Use the Google Chrome desktop mode, okay? So when you're there, that's on your YouTube studio, your channel. When you're there, look to your left. I'm going to share it with you here. So just look to your left. You'll see some icons. Click on the last icon, which is Music Library. Once you click on that Music Library, it will drop down every music on the YouTube music library. Listen to all the music and choose from whichever one suits you or best suits you. And when you find the particular one you want, all you just need to do is to download it to your phone. Once you click on the download, it will automatically download to your phone. And that is all that it is to it. Once you have the music on your phone, you can use it on your video without getting any copyright claim. Because why? It is free, it is from YouTube, and it's from the YouTube Music Library. On your YouTube studio, those songs are made for the YouTube content creators on the YouTube studio, just in case you want to add music to your video. You can even do it right from there. You don't even have to download. You can just add the music from the YouTube studio right there to your video. All you just need to do is spend little time. That is all that it is to it. You can use it on your video without getting any copyright claim on your video. Those music are free. You can add it on your video right there on the YouTube studio, because it's meant for the YouTube content creators and it's also meant for your videos, just in case you want to add overlays, you want to add free music to any of your content on the YouTube studio. So I hope this video is helpful. Now you can get free music on your video without getting any copyright claim on your video. So thank you so much for watching. I remain your girl Oluwatosin, and like I said earlier, if you've watched me to this moment and you haven't subscribed, why? Please subscribe to this channel. Probably the next video may be in another category, but just keep checking until I'm able to drop any other video that is related to YouTube growth strategies, how to grow your channel, how to grow on YouTube, how to grow your channel, okay? Because I talk about a lot of things here on this channel, and I don't want you to be discouraged, because a lot of times when people subscribe, they subscribe because of a particular content. So all you just need to do is keep the notification on, and when I upload a video that is related to YouTube growth strategies, you'll be able to be notified. So thank you so much for watching. I remain your girl Oluwatosin, and I'll be seeing you in the next video, maybe right here or here. And until then, have a great day and bye for now. Bye.